guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine. This look is going to be ideal for those who work a 9 to 5, who don't have a lot of time in the morning to get ready but still want to look good. I have an old makeup routine on my channel, but since then it has been updated, so I wanted to show you guys what I'm currently doing now. I'm going to show you everything from start to finish, so let's jump into primer first. I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I'm going to apply this all over my skin. I'm going to start where I have the biggest pores first, which are my cheeks and nose. Next up is foundation. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 370. For every day, I like to use more of a natural looking foundation. I would say light to medium coverage, especially now that it's warming up outside. You don't want anything too heavy for every day. Next is brows. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the color Dark Brunette. I'm gonna start directly under the brow, drawing hair-like strokes. I'm also going to fill the brow in with the pencil very lightly. Always take your spoolie and blend in the brow pencil. It'll help it look a lot better. Next, I'm going to clean it up with MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NC42. I'm going to top my brows off with a little mascara to give them some texture and also to keep them in place all day. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, and this is really going to transform the look. It's really going to allow me to look more awake and more vibrant. I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Biscuit. I'm going to apply that under my eyes, chin, and forehead. I'm going to take the concealer up on my eyelid. Now for every day, I don't contour my nose, but I do bring the concealer in really tight onto my nose to help it appear smaller without the contour. To To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to go in with Golden Fawn. This is a mattifying powder foundation by Sephora. It's going to gently tap that under the eye area. And also on top of the lid. For a little extra coverage, I'm going to go in with Cover FX Loose Setting Powder in the color medium. I'm going to place that everywhere I highlight it. I'm going to dust any loose setting powder away. To set my entire face, I'm going to go in with Sephora's Micro Smooth Powder in the color Hazelnut. For my everyday makeup routine, I don't like to contour, but I will go in and bronze a little bit. I'm going to bronze my cheeks and forehead with the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep. The bronzer just adds a little bit of warmth and definition to the skin. This next step is optional. I normally won't do it if I'm running behind, but if I have time, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of shadow to the crease. I usually take something pretty neutral or something that matches my skin tone. I'm going to take this color here from the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And I'm going to apply that right to the crease. No eyeshadow primer needed. That is it for eyeshadow. I'm going to move right along into highlighter. Going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold and apply that right to the tops of the cheeks. I'm also going to apply that highlighter to my inner tear duct. I'm going to add that same highlight to my inner tear duct, brow bone, and bridge of my nose. For an everyday look, I choose to skip out on lashes, so I'm going to go straight in with mascara. I'm using Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I am going to add bottom lash mascara, but I like to do that after my setting spray. So I'm going to be going in with lip gloss. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. For every day, I don't like to go in with lipsticks or liner. I just like to go in with a pretty clear gloss. To set everything in place, I'm going to use Fix Plus by MAC. This is the coconut fragrance. Alright, this is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was simple enough and easy enough for you all to achieve every day. I would say on an average when doing this look without filming, it takes me about 20 minutes, which is not too bad. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my content with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. I'm uploading twice a week on Sundays and Wednesdays. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of that down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!